So this is a progressive muscle relaxation. And it involves just systematically tensing and relaxing different muscle groups. So you can leave your eyes open or close them just as you prefer. And perhaps just experiment with how much you tense the target muscles. So sometimes you might find tensing them tightly is the most helpful. Or maybe you prefer to just tighten it enough just to barely sense the tension. So just take a few deep breaths into the abdomen, noticing the breath. And a simple check-in of your emotional state. Any thoughts that pass through and what you're feeling in your body. Just noticing what's happening without judgment or expectation. So I'd like to invite you now to make a fist with your right hand and tense the muscles in your right forearm, allowing the rest of the arm to remain relaxed. And just compare mentally the tensed muscles in your right arm to the relaxed ones in the left arm and in the rest of the body. And when you're ready, take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, slowly, gradually release all of the tension by unclenching your right hand. Until every last bit of tension has left those muscles. So let's repeat this now with the left fist and forearm. And if it helps, you can breathe in as you tense the muscles in. And then when you're ready to let go, breathe out and unclench your fist. And just appreciate the sensations in the muscles once they go back to being relaxed. Now I'd like you to raise your right shoulder, so bring it up towards your ear and keeping your upper arm to the side of your body. So you're tensing the muscles in the right upper arm and the shoulder. And just compare how that feels on the right tensed side to the relaxed left side and in the rest of the body. And when you're ready, take a deep breath in. And as you breathe out, slowly, gradually release all of the tension. You might find it useful to use an image that captures this gradual release of the tension, like the sun melting the ice, or butter melting, or chocolate melting, or releasing the pressure of a valve. Now repeat this with your left upper arm and shoulder. Breathing in as you pin the right upper arm to the side of the body and raise the left shoulder towards your left ear. And then as you breathe out, just gradually let it release. Try not to just shrug it down like we do sometimes. Just noticing how that feels now. So now with your legs extended, bend up your right foot at an angle. So move your toes towards the ceiling so that the muscles of your right calf, shin and ankle and foot are tense. So you're just moving the foot, you're leaving the heel on the ground or on the bed. Allow the rest of the leg to remain relaxed. And when you're ready, take a deep breath in. And as you breathe out, release all of the tension in that right foot. Now repeat this with your left foot and lower leg. So just again, bending up the left foot, raising the toes up, and feeling the muscles in your left calf, shin and ankle tensed. And now relax. So if you don't find that an easy way to tense up the muscles in the calves, the other way you can do it is just by pushing the feet gently into the floor, but without raising any part of your body. But you need to have your knees bent to do it that way. So just find the way that works best for you. And with both lower legs relaxed now, let's tense up the muscles in the right buttock and thigh. So just squeezing the right thigh all the way up into the bottom, allowing the remaining muscles to be as relaxed as possible. And just comparing how those muscles feel in the right side compared to on the opposite side and the rest of the body. And when you're ready, breathe out and slowly release the tension in the right thigh and buttock. And now let's try that on the left side. So squeezing the left thigh and the left buttock as you breathe in and holding it for a moment. And then when you're ready to breathe out, slowly, gradually releasing the tension until every bit has left the tense muscles and they feel fully relaxed. Now I'd like you to suck in your abdominal muscles. So push the small of your back against the mat, floor or the bed and just tense up the tummy muscles. As you breathe in, which is quite hard if you're breathing into your tummy, and then as you breathe out, release all of the tension. And just notice how those muscles feel once they're relaxed. We're now going to tense the muscles in the neck. So please be careful with this if you've got any neck issues. So just very gently bring your chin towards your chest, just to the point where it's comfortable. At any point it feels strained, just return it back to a comfortable position. Just letting it fall forward. And then as you breathe out, bringing your nose back up to the ceiling. And this time, taking the neck in the opposite direction. So as if you're looking up towards the ceiling. Now again, be careful with this if you've got any neck issues. Just move it's a very small movement, just to tense up the muscles in the back of the neck. And when you're ready, breathe out, releasing all the tension. And just appreciating the sensation in the muscles once they're relaxed. Now moving up into the mouth, I'd like you to push your tongue against your upper palate. And then release. Now purse your lips together. Big cat's bottom. And then release. And now tighten your jaw. Clench your teeth. And then as you breathe out, just let go. You want that to just move your jaw around to really loosen off any tension there. Now squint your eyes. So really, if they may already be closed, just really screw them up tightly. And then as you breathe out, just let go of the tension around the eye socket. Letting the eyeballs sink back. Releasing the eyebrows, making space between the eyebrows. And now scrunch up the whole of your face. So this is a moment just to pull any weird faces you like. Maybe by blowing out the cheeks or winking up the nose. Just really engage the muscles in your face as you breathe in. And then as you breathe out, release all of the tension until everything feels completely relaxed. And now take a few slow, deep breaths and just allow yourself to be aware of the sensations throughout the body. If there's any part that remains tense, you can repeat tensing and relaxing the muscles in that area. And just allow the relaxation to move through your body, allowing yourself to let go more and more. And to let yourself sink more deeply as you continue to take some slow, deep breaths. So just letting yourself come back into the room, becoming aware of the space that you're in. And let yourself have a few moments to reorientate yourself, taking in a deeper breath